So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in add or remove programs. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to scroll down and then you want to find Steam. Once you find Steam, you want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall and then just uninstall it. And now for the second step, you want to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on the View tab and then you want to tick Show Hidden Files, Folders and Drives. So tick this and then click on OK. Now you want to head over to search again and type in File Explorer. Click on it. Now once you're on this, you want to click on this PC and then you want to click on the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's probably going to be your C drive. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. You're going to double click on it and then you want to click on Program Files and then you want to scroll down until you find Steam. So once you find Steam, you just want to right click on it and then click on Delete. And now you want to click on Program Files 86. Double click on this. And now if you see Steam again, you just want to delete it. So if you see Steam in both these Program Files folders, just delete them both. And now once you do all this, you just want to restart your computer. And then you just want to re-download Steam again and then the problem should be fixed.